Well guys, we're back at the 1971, I'm pretty sure, Chevy C20. It's actually 71. It's not 1970s, I was saying. It's either 71 or 72. As you can tell, it's literally flood out here. So my shoes are wet. I was stupid and brought shoes, so yeah. That's big rain for me. I think this is chrome. I was looking, some of these don't have chrome. There's a Chevy badge. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. 8 lug. Yeah, the rockers are gone on it. Aha, perfect. It's not that muddy over here. Awesome. Oh no. That was not there before. All that foam crap, that was not there before. Huh. Ah, crap. There's something in there. That's scary. Holy God. The heck? Hello. Creature. That's scary. Okay, maybe I won't look at that anymore. Mileage is 71,000 miles, 485. Okay, that's really scary. Has a radio on it, no tachometer. Floors are gone, as you guys can see. Parking brake release. It's a parking brake. Okay, that's kind of scary. It has a non-headliner. It must be like a rat or something. Heater controls, no AC. Oh, here's the VIN number. Wait, no, where's the VIN number at? Aha. Okay, I really hope this creature doesn't try to eat me or something. Vehicle identification is CE241F801910. Doesn't say what year it is. But okay, I'm gonna close this door silently. Perfect, I closed it. Okay, cool. His floor is actually surprising, or not the floor, the bed is actually surprisingly solid. Well, not over there, but that must be the rest of the seat. The seat got, a dog got accidentally locked in here. Locked in the cabin, ate the bottom of the seat. That window looks good yet. It's not rusting out there. Or above the windshield, that's nice. Yeah, I kind of dig these cans back here. Handy can, huh? There was a rabbit over here. That's the last video. It scared me to death too over here. The rabbit. Tailgate's rusted out as I expected. Oh, it's gonna be fun. Yeah, sun starting to set, but thank goodness it's like actually like getting like bright out now. So like right now, before like in December it would be dark out. It's around, oh yeah, 5:37. So is that wheel still hold there? Wow, this side is really nice. Is that any rocker? There's a few quarter panel rust, but drive shaft. Oh, this thing had some kind of dual exhaust system on there. It looks like it was a, so the head, what? I'm filming right now. You can come over here, yeah. But anyways, looks like the 2 exhaust pipes went into 1 and the muffler split into 2. You can come over here. It's my sister, Hannah. Yeah, look at the exhaust. See, it has 2 pipes coming out, 1 going in. It's a big axle on there. Frame seems decent yet. I don't know if this is like a Longhorn or anything fancy like that. I don't think it is. Also, don't know how you can tell. It has the trim though on it, so that's kind of. What? No, a dog over here now. Custom 20. I'm kind of scared to open this door. Hey, there's like a mouse in here or something. It's kind of scary. 4 minutes. Ooh, it has pinstriping along there. It's kind of cool. Okay, I'm gonna open it up, guys. If this thing like must be locked, so I cannot open it. I really want to look at the options list because I know it has power steering and power brakes, but it's kind of cool to look at that. Windshield wipers on there yet? It's kind of cool. Neat piece. It's a 350 Chevy. Has Classic small block Chevy. Let's open up the hood. Okay, so this is it. Oh. Okay. Don't want this hood to break. A few things I want to check. That's kind of cool right there. I wonder if that's original. Delco Freedom battery. Oh, this thing does have a key in it. Just like on the Opel GT, I think that's how the cap's supposed to originally be. Okay, I can't check that. What's that? Something underneath there, underneath the battery. Heater housing. Oh my gosh, look at the poop. Holy crap. Oh my god. That's fun. Fuel pump. Clutch fan. I wish I could figure out if it turns over or not. Frame looks pretty solid up here. What's this? Windshield wiper fluid? Sparklators are in there. What the heck? Oh, you're coming over here. The dog's coming. I don't want to open that, but I do. Yes, this thing has power brakes on it, as you guys can tell. It's a pretty good sized master cylinder. That thing's actually huge. Holy crap. That's a weird master cylinder. I've never seen one like that before. Most of them are skinnier than that. But there's a 12 on the firewall. That's kind of cool. That's the original thingies. And there's the power steering down there. I don't know if this thing has disc brakes. I don't know if I can tell that. Looks like the engine was red at one point. Quadrajet on there yet. Nice. The horns have dual horns. Guessing it would, but I cannot tell. Oh man, I only have single horn. Very interesting. Hood seal is all bad and long there, you can tell. What are you doing? Oh, the dog's over there. It's funny. No, I'm still talking about it. Oh, I was gonna see if it has the, the HEI. Nope, looks like it has points yet on it. Yeah, looks like it has points on there yet. Wow, that engine is dirty. Holy crap. How did I not notice that before? Hi, puppy. Uh oh. I really want to open this radiator cap. Oh, see what I'm doing. Turns, but I really want to check if there's. I can't. You know, so you get it down. That thing's confusing me. I don't know why. Fuel line. What does the gas tank looks like? Here, I'm gonna see if I can get it to turn over. I don't have a good feeling about this. I don't know, I'm pretty stuck, guys. I couldn't get it turned that little bit there. I don't have that great feeling. It's the oil, so where's the... So that's oil. Cap, where's the dipstick at? That dipstick? No, it wasn't the valve cover. That's not possible. Aha, there's the dipstick. That's stupid. Somebody designed that wrong. How are you supposed to get the dipstick out of there? It's literally in the master. I guess you can take it out. I'm not going to, so I'm guessing it is oil. Okay, so I'm gonna close this bad boy up. If I can get it to close. Oh god. Okay. Not doing that anymore. That was hard. Way harder than it needs to be. Whoa, this is kind of weird. It's like, oops, I'm getting soaked. That's like weird. It's like split right there. Spartan tires. And it was in Hefner, Fort Wayne, Indiana. Hefner. It says 500. Huh. I'd like to look inside this truck, but where's the windshield wipers thingies at? Sprayers, man, I don't have one. Huh. Green right there. Here's not in that one. It looks like a 3-speed, so it's not a power glide. I don't know when they made those, but oh, I'm not going to turn that. I don't want to break the gas cap off. Anywho, let's look underneath here. Kind of muffler. That looks like it was replaced at one point. That's kind of shiny. That's nice. Water dripping out. Looks like this brake's cab corners are gone. This side has a big dent in it. Let's look underneath here. See what kind of axle this bad boy has. Is it 10 bolt or if it's 12 bolt? Oh wow, that thing's huge. Guessing that's a 12 bolt easily. Huh. Sorry if this is a weird video, guys, but that's just kind of talking, you know. They don't have any other old trucks or anything like this, or any of this old farm machinery. Not any tractors or anything, but no, the lenses are really broken on this truck. Ooh. That's kind of scary. Look at this. Notice anything weird with the angle of the bed and the angle of the cab? Very odd. Either that means something's terribly rotted, or I don't really know. The frame really doesn't look rotted at all, so I don't know. This thing's goofy. But I'll probably get back now, and I don't really know what else I was going to look at this truck. Couldn't look at the option list thingy. So there's a mouse in there or something, I don't know. But I don't really know if I should save it. I mean, I want to save it because it's a cool old truck. I mean, yeah, it's bad, it's rusty and stuff, but the only problem is it won't fit my grandpa's trailer. I have to borrow my grandpa's friend's trailer. And also I'm trying to get my great uncle's other Opel GT kind of. I'm hoping to maybe get that. What does that say? Does that tailgate say GMC? What? That tailgate says GMC. What the heck? Does that look right to you guys? I don't understand this thing. So is the bed a GMC? This truck's obviously a Chevy, I know that for sure. It's a Chevy truck with a GMC tailgate. Don't understand this at all. I am terribly confused. Okay, but anyways, yeah, so I'm trying to get another car right now. I don't know if I want this truck or not. I mean, I would like it, but it would take money. I would rather put an Opel GT. So, oh well. So I guess that's the end of this video, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we have like 319 subscribers, and hopefully we'll be getting bigger, and hopefully we can hit 500 someday. Maybe even 1,000, that'd be pretty awesome. If you guys want to see any more content on this truck or whatever, please let us know, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and stay updated for other videos.